everyone.
Hey y'all.
So today, me and my sister, we started back with school and we had to go get some school supplies tonight. So we just picked up a box of brownie mix to make brownies. And we have our 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, our 1 egg, and our 1/4 cup of water. So I'm gonna get started.
Y'all know Kaitlyn's a chocolate girl. She loves her some chocolate.
I do.
She bought her a big thing of Reese's. Let me show you these while she's doing that. She bought her those as well, but she decided she would just keep these separate so she could eat them.
I made them put them in the fridge. It's better cold.
I know people that have put their Snicker bars in the freezer, so you like Reese's, and I've heard of.
I like frozen Snickers too.
I've heard of refrigerated. Yeah, that's all. Go ahead.
Should I wipe that, or is it
Oh
fine?
no, when you let it down, it'll come off. But I used to work with a couple people that love to put their Reese cups in the freezer. That was your oil.
Yes, ma'am.
Travis has been wanting brownies. Unfortunately, we may not share, huh, Kaitlyn?
Do I do the water next, or does it matter what pattern?
Oh, it don't matter what order. No, we're just kidding. We'll share with you, Travis. Oh, let me zoom in for you to crack the egg, because you know everybody likes to watch you do this. What in the world?
It stuck to my hand. Okay, there we go.
What are we cracking, honey?
The egg, I didn't want to get any shell in it. but
Okay,
I still
good.
got a little piece of shell in it.
Did you? Oh, go ahead. Get it out. You know how to do it. You're a pro
Actually,
at
no,
it.
I didn't. I didn't get any shell in it.
All right, let me see. Let me inspect. Not that I'm going to eat any of the brownies. I'm going to let you eat it all. Nope. Good job, Kate.
Oh, this is some trash. Let me go get the little pieces.
You can get that later. It's fine.
I gotta wash my hands at least.
Oh. You are the funniest when it comes to cracking an egg. I love watching you.
I didn't want to get shell in.
I love watching you crack them.
Alright.
Well, at least you're not digging eggshells out this time.
Yeah, that's what this looks like.
Good job.
Alright, I'm back.
Ooh, you even held it up in the air. I mean, you look like a real chef, Kaitlyn. You even have a cleanup fairy that comes around behind you and cleans it up. That's the best part of it all.
This is locked, right? I'm just double checking.
A lady says she never locks hers, but yeah, that's locked. Whoa, slow it down, baby.
Yeah, I forgot it's powder.
And remember, it said you can just stir it, so just low speed is fine. Let me while you.
Powder for a second.
I don't think they got to see this last time. Let me
It
zoom.
smells like hot chocolate.
Let me see if I can get the light on it just right. I don't know if you can see where it says Martin Homestead. It's right there. I may have to try to take a picture of it, but Travis really did good.
It smells good. Hey, some of the powder didn't go all the way.
We can get one of those little spatula thingies.
Is it mixed up, or do I need to stir it?
Does it look mixed up good? So that's fine. Here, babe. You lift it up out of your way? Or is that more in your way? I think that's fine. I think if we just pull it off and just mix the two up. Here, let me take this. Yeah, I was thinking you were
chocolate on my finger.
Yeah, I knew you were fixing to do that. Here, let me get right here just a second. Okay. Gotta get it lined up. I'm not tall enough to see the top of it. If I'm not tall enough, I know you aren't, huh?
You can start if you want.
This is your brownies. I want you to have the fun in doing it.
Okay. Dad still wants brownies.
He has been.
That's why I picked up the brownies.
I know. All right, Travis, we will get you a brownie soon, very soon. Do you want this batter?
What do you mean? Oh, nah.
I've already even greased your pan for you, Kaitlyn.
What thank you?
I made your life real easy, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see here. Let me unlock it.
Hold on.
Let's turn where they can see us. What have y'all been up to today? I think I see a clump. Let me just check it.
I like this.
There's no clumps. You know what those are? Do you know what they are?
Oh.
Take a wild guess.
Brownie? I don't know.
We got triple chunk.
Oh, yeah.
So you have big old chunks of chocolate. That's what that is. Let me show them.
Can I like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be good. All right.
Cake batter. I mean, no.
It's not as good as the cake batter or cookie dough.
Yeah, whatever.
All right, there you go. You want me to hold the bowl and you scoop it out? How do you want to do this?
Yeah, you can hold the bowl.
Here, let me back it up so they can see us both. All right. Move this out of the way. Making sure they could see us. How many brownies you reckon will be left by tomorrow?
A lot.
What?
I may only
They can't see the smile on your face.
I may only have like 2.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I may only have 2.
I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all know for sure.
That chocolate wants to get stuck at the bottom.
Got anything to chat about, Kate?
Ooh, not really.
Got chocolate everywhere.
We had my first day back at school today from Christmas break. That's really it.
Alrighty. What classes you got this time around?
I have government and economics.
And learn about money, huh?
I guess. And then I have anatomy and physiology.
Ooh, I can help you with that if you struggle any.
Well, science isn't really my forte.
Well, I'm a nurse, so I can help you with the anatomy part.
And then I have art, and then I have Spanish too.
That's what we had to go to Walmart for. We had to get her
art supplies.
Yeah,
sketchbook.
Sketchbook.
And colored pencils.
Yep. She was hoping today she had accidentally left her book bag. Well, I think she kind of intentionally left her book bag at school one day overnight, not thinking anything would happen to it. But anyway, her book bag since what grade?
I don't know, like 3rd, 4th grade.
3rd or 4th grade. She can't find it.
It just disappeared.
It disappeared into thin air, so she went and searched the lost and found to see if it was there.
It ain't there.
It's not. We hope it'll show up, but
it'll probably show up.
Probably so.
Probably ain't too far.
So we had to replace the colored pencils that were in it.
Yeah.
But that's all right too. Is it? What are we preheating it to? I already did that as well.
$3.50.
She got a new game to go with her little Nintendo Switch today. She bought it with her Christmas money, so she's been playing. What have you played?
Animal Crossing.
Animal Crossing. Y'all probably don't know what that is. I wouldn't have a clue.
Me and my brother used to play it when we were little. On my little Nintendo DS.
All right then. So is it about the same? The game? All right. You ready to stick it in the oven? Let me back the camera
I'm
up.
gonna wash this chocolate off my hand. I tried catching the box.
Oh, it's fine.
Alright, I'm back.
Baby, it's not hot.
Oh.
You'll need the mitts whenever it's hot.
I don't think I've ever made brownies before.
You haven't. I know. As simple as that was, you've never made them, have you?
I've watched make them before in the past, but
Oh, now that you're learning, I don't do any of it anymore, do I? Come over here so they can see what you're doing.
I'm trying to see how long to bake for. What size is our pan?
It's an 8x8.
Oh, so 33 to 38 minutes. We'll do 35.
You like yours ooey gooey, right? So why don't we start at 33 and then we can add a minute. Do you know how to check a brownie to see if it's done?
Yeah, you stick that toothpick in.
See, you've watched me do it. You actually get to do it tonight. So, all right, we will check back in with you guys when the brownies beep.
Yep.
You excited, Kate?
I am. I
All
like
right.
chocolate.
Dad will be excited, won't he?
He will.
He's been asking me, when am I going to get, well, he's been asking you, hasn't he? He's like, when am I going to get them brownies I've been wanting? Y'all have a wonderful night.
Bye, everyone. Hey, everyone. So our brownies are
I'm gonna turn that timer off. It was dinging.
done.
I'm frying me an egg. An egg is much better than a brownie, huh, Kaitlyn? I wish y'all could see that face she made.
I beg to differ. I'm not
Yeah.
much of an egg person.
I was gonna do a sunny side up, but I'm not a fan that much, so I'm just gonna do a regular fried egg. She doesn't love eggs at all. I've asked her if she wanted to learn how to do it. What, baby?
This is hard to craft.
I'm gonna get it.
It's slippery.
Hmm?
The pan is slippery.
Did you already
With this.
stick the toothpick in to make sure?
Oh, not yet.
There's the toothpick right there.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Let me.
Oh, that'll probably work better.
Here, let's get it right here. Now stick it in. Straight in and straight out. All right, is it clean? All right, there we go. A
I'll
minute.
go ahead and turn off the oven.
All right, thank you. All right, let's talk a minute. What do you want to talk about?
I don't know.
You ever flipped an egg? Mm-mm.
Sure.
Come on, let's try it. Let me back it back up, I guess.
Well, I don't know about this. It's scary.
Have you ever cooked anything on the top of the stove? Yeah, you did
No.
hamburger meat one time.
Well, I don't know how to get it without it sliding everywhere.
So, you kind of go like fast. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you do this, you're
Your
just
egg's
pushing
gonna be
it.
burnt. You better flip it.
I want you to flip it. I eat burnt food. You got this. Ooh.
Oh, I got some under the stove. Oh.
There you go, there you go.
Scared me.
It's just about burnt.
Sorry.
It's alright, I don't mind. I'll eat it. I don't mind at all.
Some of the egg, whatever, got under the stove.
I'll clean it up. Oh, they can't see you. Let's try this again. Uh-oh. There we go. I'm eating my egg, you eat your brownie. We'll
Okay.
turn you back on and let her show you how good her brownie is, and I'll show you how delicious my egg is. Bye, y'all.
Bye. So the key to, hold on, restart that. So the key to cutting brownies is using a plastic knife.
There may be more tricks out there. Someone taught me that we probably are cutting way too fast than because we just got them out of the oven.
It's falling apart.
That's okay. Get you a fork and it'll come on out.
I need a plate.
But let me show y'all. That way you can see. I don't even remember who it was. Somebody I went to church with told me. I was like, how in the world do you make your brownies so pretty on your edges? Of course, if I let mine cool just a tiny bit, they'd probably be better. But anyway, straight out of the oven. Cut it with a plastic knife is the trick they told me. If you know another trick, let us know. Oh, Kaitlyn's ready for her brownie. Hold on, let me get my phone put down.
I have my fork.
You got your fork? All right, I'm gonna let you. Ooh, I've got to be real close.
My finger accidentally grazed the side of that pan. It's hot.
All right, you can eat it with that fork. Oh, baby, hang on. Let me back it up a little bit.
Oh.
Getting my egg ready.
Hmm.
Did you do a good job on your brownies?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
We gotta call your daddy and let him know so he'll know he has something to look forward to, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you gonna taste my eggs?
Uh-uh.
Mm-mm.
I don't like those.
I know. Good job, Kaitlyn.
Thank you.
Enjoy your brownie.